Hi students, previous class I explained about ascending order and descending order fractional and fractional numbers on the number line. And this class, lecture 4, mathematics 6th class, fractional number chapter, I am explaining some example problems. First example problem, first one, improper fractions are converted into the mixed fractions. Improper fractions are converted into the mixed fractions. What first one? Explain example problem. Improper fractions are converted into the mixed fractions. Here taking the first one. Suppose here 13 by 3. Here how to convert the mixed fraction? Here 13 by 3. See here 3, 13. Taking a 3 table, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Remainder how much? 1. So how to convert here? First write the quotient 4 and remainder by divisor. See here 4, 1 by 3 is the mixed fraction. See here converting the improper fraction of 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3 comes now. Next second one, 69 divided by 4. 69 divided by 5. Here, how convert here mixed fraction? 69 and 5. 5 table you take. 5 ones are 5. 1 comes here. 9 right. And 5 threes are 15. How much here remainder? 19 minus 15. 4. How write here improper mixed fraction here? 13 and 4 by 5. 13 and 4 by 5. Next one more one, third one, 28 divided by 3. 28 divided by take 6. 28 divided by 6 here. Next here 28 and 6. 6 table, 6 4s are 24. What left here? Remainder 4. So how write here? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 here. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28 by 6. Okay. These 3 examples are improper fractions convert into the mixed fraction. Next second example problem. Compare the fraction, means which fraction is big or which fraction is small. Compare the fraction. Second one, compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Compare means which fraction is greater or which fraction is smaller. Your solution here 4 by 5. First fraction not 4 by 5. Here this first fraction, second fraction denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator. 4 by 5 into 6 by 6y. Here first equal the denominator values. 4 into 6 by 5 into 6. 4 6 are 24 and 5 6 are 30. Second fraction what? 5 by 6 and second fraction, first fraction denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator. 5 by 6 into 5 by 5. Here 5 into 5 by 6 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 by 30. Now denominator values are equal. Which fraction is bigger? 25 by 30 greater than 24 by 30. 25 by 30 means what here? Or 5 by 6 greater than 4 by 5. This one what? Compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6, which is the big, means here 5 by 6 is the greater than the 4 by 5. Next one, third question, third example problem. Here, third example problem. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Third one, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Is 40 minutes. Is 40 minutes. First 1 hour is equal how many minutes? First 1 hour is equal how many minutes? Solution. 1 hour equal how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So fraction how comes here? Fraction 40 minutes by 40 by 60. 40 by 60. 0 0 is the cancel. 4 by 6 there, now 2 table. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What the fraction comes? 2 by 3. Fraction comes what? 2 by 3. Next one example, fourth one. Fourth example. Fourth example question. Here. Nisha read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. How many pages? 100 pages. And next, Pavani read, next year, Pavani read 2 by 5 of the same book Who read less? What? Who read less? What's the question here? Nisha read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Pavani read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? Here, first solution, total pages how many? Total pages is 100. Total pages equal how many? 100. Nisha, how many number of pages read by Nisha? How much? Number of pages read by the Nisha. How much? 25. Here Pavani how much? 2 by 5. Here next year number of pages read by the Pavani. Here 2 by 5 into total number of pages. 2 by 5 into total number of pages. Total number of pages how much? 100 now. 5 table, 5 ones are 5 20s are. So how much? 22 into 20, 40 pages. Here Nisha how many read 25 pages. Pavani how many read? 40 pages. Who read less? Nisha read less pages. Here therefore what? Nisha read less pages. You share it, less pages. Okay, next one, fifth one example. Last one more example, fifth example. Last example, fifth one. Last example problem in your syllabus. Here question, here fifth question. A piece of wire, a piece of wire, a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long, 7 by 8 meter long, broke into two pieces, into two pieces. One piece, when one piece was 1 by 4 meter. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. Next, how long is the other piece? Is the other piece? Is the other piece? Yeah. Next year solution. Total length of wire, how much? Total length of wire is equal to how much? 5 by 8 meter. 5 by 8 meter. Total length wire how much? 5 by 8 meter. One piece how much? One part of a wire how much? One part of wire equal how much? 1 by 4 meter. 1 by 4 meter. Remaining part or remaining piece? Remaining part or remaining piece. Here total length minus first, total length of the wire minus first part. 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Here cross multiplication, 4 into 7 minus 8 into 1 by 8 into 4. Next how much here? 4 7s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 8 1s are 8. And here 8 4s are 32. Here 28 minus 8 how much? 20 by 32. Cancel the 32. Cancel the 4 table. 4 5s are 4 8s are. So how much here? 5 by 8 meter. What the 5 by 8 meter? Remaining part is 5 by 8 meter. What is the question? A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Your total length of the wire how much? 7 by 8 meter. One part of a wire how much? 1 by 4 meter. Remaining part means total length minus first part. Here taking the cross multiplication method. Remaining part of the wire how much? 7 by 8 meter. I hope everyone you understand. Thank you children.